Hello students, I am Mrs. Asha Bansal, a science educator with over 40 years of teaching experience and a former CBSE evaluator. Today we will study the fundamental unit of life. Cells were discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665 while observing the thin slices of cork. Later on, Leeuwenhoek observed living cells using the light microscope. A cell is the smallest fundamental living unit of life. All plants and animals are made up of cells. That is why the cell is called the structural and functional unit of life. Organisms made up of a single cell are called unicellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium. Organisms whose body is made up of more than one cell are called multicellular organisms like humans, plants, etc. In multicellular organisms, cells work together to perform different functions. The size and shape of cell depends upon the function that they perform. Red blood cells are round, nerve cells are long and branched, and muscle cells are elongated. The cell size also depends upon the function and the type of organism. The outermost covering of the cell is called the plasma membrane. It is selectively permeable. That means it will allow the entry and exit of the particles of certain size only. Diffusion is the movement of substances from higher concentration to lower concentration. Osmosis is the movement of water through a semi-permeable membrane. Like the root hair of the roots, they absorb water by this process. In hypotonic solution, cells swell. In hypertonic solution, cells shrink. Plant cells have an additional outer covering called cell wall. It provides strength and protection to the cell. The cytoplasm contains all cell organelles and chemical reactions occur here. The nucleus controls all the activities of the cells and it also carries the genetic information. Mitochondria are called the powerhouse of the cell because they release energy. The endoplasmic reticulum helps in transport of materials. Ribosomes help in protein synthesis. The Golgi apparatus packages and transports substances. Lysosomes are called suicide bags because they digest waste. Vacuoles store food and water. Plastids in the plant cells help in photosynthesis and storage. Cell theory states that all the living organisms are made up of cells, and the cells arise from the pre-existing cell. Prokaryotic cells lack a true nucleus while eukaryotic cells have true nucleus. Cell divides to form new cells. This process is called cell division. There are two main types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis occurs in the body cells. It helps in growth, repair, and replacement of damaged cells. In mitosis, in one cell division, two daughter cells are produced which are identical. Meiosis occurs only in the reproductive cells. It helps in the formation of gametes. It is called the reduction division because the number of chromosomes is reduced to half. In meiosis, 4 non-identical daughter cells are produced. Cell division is very important for growth, reproduction, and continuity of life. In the next chapter, we will study tissues. Thank you.